Hello, I'm Lily and this is Buck. Sometimes I need to get out for fresh air and see people, unlike Buck, who would prefer to stay in. Buck was anxious in large crowds and during loud noises. I now rely on Adaptil Calm Collar. It diffuses appeasing pheromones. Little by little, this is helping Buck, and with my constant love, he feels less stressed. Adaptil, my dog first.